Hello to my beautiful. Today I'm giving you this very quick but useful, I believe, trainer on this little square up here. Do you know what it is? Yes, you know. I know you do. It's a QR code. A quick response code. Because if you take your phone, okay, and you point it to that square, your phone will capture some very useful information for you. I'm going to show you how. You can do this in two different ways. If you have a particular app, okay, which is very easy to download. Mine is called QR and barcode capture, I think, but you really find plenty online. And the second way you can do it, it's simply by turning on your camera. So you click on your video camera on your phone and point the camera like when you're taking a picture, exactly like that, okay? And what happens after a few seconds, it will display, it will show you a website. You tap it, it will tell you tap on it, you tap on it, and you go directly to the link. Okay, let's make a practical example with this sheet that you're seeing here. Now, what is this? This is one of the few tests that I'm going to send you eventually in the next few weeks for you to practice your listening. Okay, let's see what I'm going to do now. My camera is on. I'm pointing my phone towards the code. It says web page. I click on it, and what I'm seeing now on my telephone is the link that I need to click on in order to listen to my exercise.
Now, part 5.
Part 5.
For each question, choose the correct answer. Look at questions 21 to 25 now.
Okay, so what did I do? I captured the information I need through my phone, thanks to this little QR code, okay? What you're going to do, of course, you want to listen while you're looking at the text, and then you want to give me the right answers, okay? I hope this was useful, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.